So I'm just going to show you how I can use Claude Code to make changes to a website. This website is built in Next, which I don't really like, but it works pretty well. So we have a project here in PHP Storm with the various components, the actual application, a license server, and the website. So let me fire up Claude Code. And oops, there we go. And on the website, like all these drop shadows look a bit dated, so let's just get rid of drop shadows. I'm just going to use my voice input now. On the website, all the boxes and buttons have got drop shadows. That doesn't look very modern. Can we get rid of those, please? And now Claude Code is having a good think about it, looking through it. And now it's asking permissions, which we can then set to auto select. And I can just set him to auto accept all edits going forward, because this is just a recent commit and I don't really care if it mucks it up. So while that happens, let's just pause the video for a few seconds. So now it's come back with a list of things it's going to do, and as we're in auto mode, it's now getting on with it. So I can now go and have a chat on Twitter or make a cup of coffee for the next few minutes. Or more often, I'll work on another project while that's going on. This is quite a complicated change for it, I guess, so it's having to look through all the various pages and styles. So it's showing me what changes are happening as it happens, and we can see here that lines with shadow are being replaced. If I didn't have auto accept on, it'd be asking me and showing me in PHP Storm as well at the top, which I can demonstrate in a minute. And now it's gone through all the pages and giving me a summary of what it's done, and it's removed the drop shadows from here. We can see on the live version it's that. So let's just tell it to commit and push. So can you commit and push that to live, please? Now I've put back on so not auto accept, so I'm going to accept the lines. And now that's pushing that to the GitHub repository, and continuous integration will then mean that it will start to deploy. So if we have a look on the server, we can now see that the deployment is in progress, and in a minute or two all those changes are actually live. Just having a quick review here, and I'm not happy. In responsive mode, the simple pricing, one price, no subscription header looks a bit odd with only one price. So in responsive mode, the simple pricing, one price, no subscription on the home page looks a bit odd with just one price when it's aligned left. Can you align it to the center? Okay, so now just showing you the in PHP Storm. Okay, so it first of all we thought it was talking about the card. It worked out it was a header, and we can now see the code change in PHP Storm. And I'm going to hit apply, and it's updating the page there. Okay, now we haven't seen it in real time on here because I needed to do a refresh because I'm actually building this as a static site and not as a dynamic site. But there you go, I've clicked refresh and it's done. So I'm going to push that change to 2. And that's how we do web design and changes in 2025.